on? This is Chief Side of Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own plant-based protein powders and save a bunch of money. So stay tuned, find out how I like to do it. So I got all of this for the same price as this. On Amazon, this is about $80. I got all of this for $79. For the same amount of money I was spending for this, I got this. And so this is going to last me a lot longer than this would. And I get all the benefits that I want. I get to customize it, I get to add creatine, I get to add ashwagandha, maca, cacao. I get to make it exactly how I want to fit for myself, to get the benefits that I really want. You know, this has really high quality ingredients and has a lot of really great stuff, but I'm paying for stuff that I don't necessarily care that much about. Like, this is a really great option. This is super cheap, just gives me a stomach ache, which I don't like. So this is just pea protein and brown rice protein. And the reason why that's an ideal mix is because separately, pea protein and brown rice protein, neither of them have complete amino acid profile. But if you add them together, when you combine them, they both have the amino acids that the other one is lacking. So their weaknesses are their strengths, just like me and my best friend Nate. Here we go. So when you combine these together, you get a complete amino acid profile, which is what you need. That's why I chose pea protein and sprouted brown rice protein. Supposedly sprouting makes the nutrients more absorbable or more available for absorption. Anyways, so I got maca powder running a little bit low and ashwagandha. The reason why they're in glass jars is because we buy them at the bulk section at our local co-op, which I work at, so I get a discount, which is pretty dope. Anyways, so we just fill up these jars. Well, we're not zero waste, but we try to, you know, reduce the amount of waste that we have. And so buying in bulk is a great option. I'll make another video about that another time, and you also save a bunch of money. Buying a bag of maca or ashwagandha is probably very expensive. So if you just buy it in bulk at your local co-op, you probably save a ton of money. So that's another good way to save money. I also bought the cacao in bulk. Buying in bulk is always going to be cheaper than buying prepackaged products because there's marketing with the labeling. They have to pay somebody to design the label. They have to package it, so that has to be a factory. They have to pay for the bottles, packaging, all of that stuff. With bulk, they just ship out the huge bag. The person just fills it up in a container, and then you get exactly how much you want. So I don't need 5 pounds of maca or ashwagandha. I don't need like a big bag of it. I just need a little bit, and I just buy exactly how much I need. Or if you're making a recipe and you only need a little bit of an ingredient, you can just buy exactly how much you need. I would just need a cup of this flour. You just buy a cup of that flour. You don't have to buy a whole 5-pound bag. Calvin, please be quiet. Thank you. Stuff adds a little bit to the price, but this stuff isn't necessary. This is just what I like. These give me the benefits that I want. You can make it taste however you want. So I've had it just by itself with just these three, and it doesn't taste like really good, but it doesn't taste bad. It just kind of tastes like, I don't know, it's kind of flavorless, you know? So it's kind of like a blank canvas. You can kind of put whatever kind of flavors you want. So you can get vanilla, you get, you know, fruity flavors, whatever you want to make, it's possible. So that's the coolest part about doing it yourself, is that you get to make it exactly how you want for yourself to meet your needs, which no company is doing that. No one's making, at least that I know of. I could be wrong, but no one's going to make a customized shake for you to exactly cater to your needs. And you can just do it yourself, which is dope. And you save money, which is also super dope, which we all like to do, right? I mean, who wants to spend a bunch of money that you could be spending on other things that are important, like getting out of debt, which is what we're trying to do. This is a great option. You don't have to buy these ones. These are the ones that I found that I like, that meet the standards that I have. It doesn't have to be organic, it doesn't have to be non-GMO. That's what you want, then you can go for it. You can also buy like whey. If you want to make your own whey protein, you can get whey, casein, and mix those together and add like egg protein powder, whatever you want to do. You know, I'm just showing you that it's possible, that you can do it, that you can make your own protein powder and save a bunch of money. And this is what this is all about. It's not necessarily about the ingredients themselves, but I'm just showing you the situation that I was in and the solution that I found to my problem, and show you what you can do and what's possible. Now I'm going to show you how I put it together. So I'm going to time myself, and we'll see exactly how long does it take. Alright, I have a stopwatch on my lap, and I'm going to set it right. You're going to get 32 grams of protein in this shake right here. I just eyeball it. I don't need a scale. I eyeball work. Add the water. I fill it up about 3/4 full. And done. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Not even the best time yet. First mention this. I like to add chocolate milk to mine. This is chocolate oat milk. This is delicious. I love this stuff. This is the best. But it's so good that I can't just drink it by itself, or else I'll just chug it all. And I have that problem a lot with drinks. If it's a really good drink, I'll just chug it. I can't just sip on it. And I've been like that my whole life, and I got into a lot of trouble when I started drinking alcohol and led to alcoholism. That's another story. That's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna show you my chugging skills. I forgot to add a sweetener to it. Usually I like to do monk fruit if I can afford it. Monk fruit extract, or I just do cane sugar, or you don't need a sweetener. So here's my stopwatch, and I'm gonna start now. And I'll start chugging away. See, that's still good without the sweetener. Well, I guess the chocolate milk has a little sugar in there, but it's not bad. That's so good. They just make me happy. So there it is. Make your own delicious, nutritious protein shakes or protein powders at home by yourself. Anybody can do it. It just takes a little bit of research, figuring out exactly what you want. Just look at the protein powders that you have, look at the ingredients, do a little research, figure out what you want, what you need, what your needs are, what kind of supplements you can add to meet your needs. So there you have it. I hope that this was beneficial for you, that you learned something, and that it inspired you. That's really what I want to try to do on this channel, is try to show you all the way that I've been trying to make my life better, and hopefully it can help you to make your life better as well, so we can all grow and continue on this journey of self-improvement, because none of us are perfect. There's always going to be room for improvement. There's always something more that we can do. There's always something more that we can learn. That's the beautiful thing about life, is that you're always going to be learning, and if you're not, then what's the point, I love learning, and I love sharing things that I've figured out or I've learned about that have helped me. I love sharing it with other people, like my friends and stuff back home in California. I love showing the stuff that I'm doing because it helps them. Like, they get inspired. They're like, oh, I want to do that, because I have so many friends and people that I know that are stuck in these negative cycles. It's possible to make a change, like my life's completely different than it used to be when I was 18, 19, when I was a teenager, and even in my 20s. I totally turned my whole life around. I want to show you that you can do it too. I want to show my friends and family members and people out there, show them that it's possible. People that knew me back in the day, how I used to be, and show them who I am now and how I've changed, how awesome it is. It's possible. Any of you can do it. I struggle with alcoholism, addiction, laziness, complacency, all of these bad things, negativity. I was just a really negative, angry person. And today I'm completely different. You can change too, You don't have to stay the same. You don't have to be the same person that you were 10 years ago, 15 years ago, or even yesterday. Each day is a new opportunity to create the life that you want. Anything's possible. You can do it. It just takes effort and time. And it's really awesome when you do it. Anyways, I'm rambling on. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this video. If you don't, then hit the thumbs down. Let me know. Tell me what you didn't like so that I can improve upon it. Like I was saying, there's always room for improvement, and I want to make the best videos that I can. And so if you can let me know what you don't like about it, or what you do like, so that I can continue to do those things in my next videos. And leave a comment, let me know. Give me some honest criticism. You don't gotta be a jerk about it. You don't gotta be an asshole, but just tell me what you think. Be honest. I can take criticism. Other videos I posted, a guy said the narcissism level is high, and I was like, that hurts. I hurt my ego. But it's good. My ego needs to get put in check every once in a while. So I asked him, I was like, why do you say that? I respect your opinion. Why did you think that it was narcissistic? And he said it was just the way I was filming. I was filming it with the selfie, holding like this, and I was like, oh, that's just the best way I had to film it right now. We had an honest conversation, and it was dope. And people try to defend me and call this guy a jerk, but no, he wasn't being a jerk. It's like, if I have something in my teeth, and I walk around all day and no one tells me until like the end of the day, and someone finally says something like, yo, you got some stuff in your teeth, and you're like, oh man, nobody told me this whole time. I'm walking around looking like a jerk, or looking like a goof, or whatever, looking like a narcissist. That's not what I want to be. I just want to try to help other people the way that other people's videos have helped me. I really don't want to be some narcissistic jerk. So if I come off that way, or there's something else I could add in my videos, or something I shouldn't do in my videos, let me know. I really appreciate the critique. Try to stay humble and try not to take things personally. But I really do want to improve my videos and make the best content I can. By you telling me, that really helps me out a lot. If you're having a bad day or whatever, you want to be a jerk, I'm here. I can take it. I can handle it. So whatever you want to throw at me. If you want to throw me some love and support, then that would be great. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to put out videos all the time. If you don't like it, then let me know so I can improve on it next time. If you don't let me know what you don't like, then I can't fix it. You know what I mean? So anyways, let me know, and I hope that you have a good day wherever you're at, and I hope that I find something that can make your life a little bit better. And I hope that this video helped you. I really do. Hope you have an excellent day. Peace.